Good morning, May 26, 2020, Hamptons Market Update. John Watson, your Hamptons real estate broker. From my kitchen table to yours. Memorial Day has come and gone, the unofficial start to summer, and I trust that everyone has had an enjoyable weekend. With the exception of North Sea Beach, it seems like there weren't any issues on the East End. It seems that someone posted on a Facebook page that fishing at North Sea Beach was really great, and apparently a tremendous amount of out-of-town residents came and created a little bit of a ruckus. Such problems. Southampton is now reporting just over 1,000 positive cases, yet the hospital stated that they're down to 19 cases and only 2 in ICU, which is really great news. East Hampton has over 300 cases, and they're considering opening up testing in Montauk. Our case numbers are low, as we've had positive cases that aren't reported here, as they were tested in their hometown and then moved here for the summer. Still, it's nowhere near as bad as the epicenter. The governor thinks that downstate will hit Phase 1 requirements and might open up Wednesday. Construction, which is a large employment driver on the East End, along with curbside retail, will open. Well, that's at least a start. And East End is a tourist economy, and many mom and pop retailers have really been affected by the downturn and need business. I'll take 1 pair of Levi's to go with a side of polo shirt and a brown belt, please. The new normal. Please support our local retailers. The governor also stated that gatherings up to 10 people are allowed if social distancing protocols are followed. So as a broker, can I now show houses? Can I do physical open houses? Should I? Questions still need to be answered. Mask and gloves, social distancing protocols, it's still necessary. It's an invisible, nasty disease. Renter requests are still coming in, and finding good homes at reasonable prices is hard to do. March, April, May rents are expiring, and people are trying to find June. June is all but taken, and requests for July and August are around. Sales showings and contracts have picked up dramatically, partly due to the new demand, which is pent up due to the pandemic, as well as people who have relocated here in rentals, relocating out of fear of being there. The news for the fall is uncertain if schools will open. Students can now learn from anywhere with an internet connection, as well as parents working remotely. Further, they expect a resurgence of the pandemic in the fall. I hope not, but that's what they're saying. We're going to have pandemic 2.0. So people are making plans to be elsewhere, so might as well be here. Those who own second homes are here, and those who do not are beginning to buy. List prices are down 20 to 30% off of 2019, and coupled with low interest rates and now needing a second place to live is driving the market. The Hamptons have always been a safe, secure place to be for decades, and perhaps even more important now under our new normal. Market statistics for the week of May 18th to May 25th, east of the Shinnecock Canal. 25 contracts, up over 200% from 12 last week. 11,395,000, 5,795,000, 5,550,000, 4,795,000, 4,490,000, 3,895,000, 2 at 2,595,000, 2 at 2,350,000, 2 at 2,295,000, 1 at 2,250,000, 1,875,000, 1,850,000, 1,795,000, 1,675,000, 1,595,000, 1,495,000, 1,003,000, 1,275,000, 899,000, 850,000, 827,000, 795,000, and 720,000. Keep in mind, these are the last asking prices or list prices. Contract prices aren't reported out here. Still, the in-contracts show that we had 15 contracts in the $1 to $3 million range. That's still the highest demand price point week after week. 25 new listings, same as last week, came in. 725,000 to 18,500,000. 4 between 14 million and 18,500,000. 2 between 5 and 6 million. 7 between 3 and 5 million. 7 1 to 3 million, and 2 under a million. 15 listings were either expired or withdrawn, which is down dramatically from 26 the week before. The data this week shows the result of the increase of showings from the prior week. Sales demand is taking over from rental demand. Nationwide housing is indicating increased showing activity and increased sales. The pandemic caused a health crisis, not a housing crisis. We were just put on hold for the moment. And it is definitely going to be one of the indicators that keeps the economy strong, especially with the outmigration from the suburbs and the second home markets, a flight to safety and a stable investment. I'm John Watson. I'm your Hamptons real estate broker. You can call or text me at 516-551-6404 if I can be of service. you can email me at john@hamptonsrealestatebroker.com or visit my website at hamptonsrealestate.com for all the disclosures as well as my bio, sales, etc. That's John Watson, and I'll be out for this week, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.